Hello from room 206, the Oban suite at Gleneagles. Lovely old-fashioned telephone. Lovely brand new idea. The room service menu is called Eating In, is the new going out. So clever. This is the Oban suite, and I am right above the front entrance. It's a cold, wintry day out there. The sitting room is extremely elegant and pleasant. I've got a miniature Land Rover bearing chocolate and fudge. Proper books and ceramic mugs, so nice for the tea. And for the coffee. It's a big room with reading material, a bottle of Oban whiskey, and two 750ml bottles of red wine next to the Marshall radio. From the sitting room into the hallway with a connecting door down the far end and a proper coat stand from which hang the two umbrellas. Into the bedroom, same colouring, more hardback books. And here I've got a walk-in closet. My goodness, look at all those hangers. Love the wallpaper in here. That is an enormous bed. Here the radio is Roberts, and good for Gleneagles. This is a mature hotel, but it's got a telephone charger pad, looks like marble. And I've got USB ports both sides of the bed. Into the bathroom, which has an incredible contraption that is the shower. Their own Gleneagles toiletries. A heated towel rail, and look, the slippers are in a bag that bags toasty toes. One sink, There are mirrors outside, fortunately, because the mirror over the sink is not only very high, but is too far to reach for contacts. And I'm finishing with this sculpture contraption over the freestanding bathtub.